Hey there, it's Doobie Cook coming at you. My friends the chickens here. Hello guys. And yeah, I wanted to talk to you today about a coin token that I've been looking at for the past few weeks. I've been checking out or thinking about buying Kadena. And the reason I thought Kadena was pretty cool was because it's going to be hooked up to the Polkadot ecosystem. And I think anything with the Polkadot ecosystem is going to be hot in the future. But the thing about it, it's kind of like, it's an interesting token, but it has really bad inflation. So there's 40 million, or I think 50 million tokens out right now. And it's on a couple exchanges. It's on Hotbit, BitMEX, I think. And ooh, the bells are all ringing behind me. And it seems like it's a pretty cool, thing until you look at they're going to be releasing by 2026 another I think 400 million. It's confusing because on CoinGecko it says their total supply of tokens is 1 billion. Then you think, all right, well, why would I invest in it? So I'm thinking, for me, I'm gonna throw a small bit of cash at it. Maybe this is not financial advice because that I'm not a financial advisor. But like for me, the things that I liked about it, which the low market cap, super low market cap, but it's like right now I think $9 million market cap, and so it has a lot of room to grow if people start finding out more about it. I heard it, Chico Crypto mentioned it a while back, and briefly he mentioned it. He didn't talk about it very much, but I looked into it then and I thought, I don't know. But I've been hearing people, on chat groups, on Telegram groups, talking about Kadena the past few weeks a lot, and that's kind of like I look for that. I look for these weird little trends of people talking about a specific coin, and it's such a micro cap that it has a lot of room to grow. But the problem is the tokenomics don't really work that well with the inflation. So the interesting thing about it is it's not an ERC20. It's its own blockchain, and it was developed by the team that had developed the private blockchain for JP Morgan. So we're talking like really, really smart tech, and you can look up the explanation of this thing called chain web that they have. I couldn't explain it to you, but it's gonna have interoperability with other blockchains, and it's gonna be like somewhat private, somewhat public, so you can do a lot of financial services with it. But just the connection with the JP Morgan, like having the former team from JP Morgan behind a crypto that has a $9 million market cap, it's too tempting for me. I can't let it go, And they developed some programming language which is supposed to be super easy for developers called Pact, which I'm not sure that, I don't know if that's, I'm not a developer, I'm not a programmer, but I think anything that makes anything easier to get into, and you're going to see more development, you're going to end up having more money in it, and it's a proof of work blockchain, so kind of like Bitcoin. But the thing about it is it's supposedly going to have the ability to do scalability, so you're going to be able to get fast, lots of transfers. And they have something called gas station, which I don't really understand, but the thing about it is the development team is JP Morgan, and so there you have such a big amount of influence and money that it's too tempting for me. I'm gonna throw a little bit of cash at it myself. it seems like it's being talked about. It seems like it's got the polka dot connection seems like an interesting thing. But again, it's on a crappy exchange, or two crappy exchanges. But they have such big connections, you'd think that in the very near future, if that thing got listed on like Coinbase, watch out, man. That would be like, you would see a pop off. If that happens, I'm gonna buy and I'm gonna sell what I buy, because I don't like the inflationary nature of their tokens. But yeah, I think it could be interesting. I think it could, in this next bull run season, if Kadena gets enough press, and I think it will, because they get the smart team and connections. It could be 10x, hopefully. I don't know. You do with your money what you will, but I'm gonna give it a shot. I'm gonna try. This is one of my risky plays. So I just wanted to tell you what I've been thinking about. Anyway, people, thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe, and always remember to keep the main thing, okay? Have a great day. Get out there and enjoy some of the sunshine. That's what we're having today. Some beautiful sunshine in the Czech Republic. Anyway, take care.